Okay, today's Monday, September something, I forgot what day it is, as usual. I just got done washing the old Ford flare side. Getting ready to do the body work. I've got a rust repair to do down there, weld a patch in. A few little minor dents. Chassis has been painted. A new gas tank has been installed. And the fuel block offs from the secondary tank, it's been deleted. So now I got to start doing this part of it. Letting it drip dry out here. Take off the running boards. Excuse me, all this cab glass is coming out. You can see up there on the roof is all chalked out. It looks like the hood. So the hood's coming off, the cowl's coming off. These are coming off. These are going to get the hail damage is going to be repaired, and then I'm going to paint these satin black, trim black. And then there's a new bumper going on. New grille and headlight doors, new headlights, and there will be the grille and the headlight doors, and the new bumper will be color coded to match the truck. And while I had the hose out, I gave the old scooter a hose down too, because it was pretty dirty. Excuse me. You see the nasty rusted bumper, and that just broke away when this guy hit a deer with his truck a while back. So there's the update on the 92 Ford flare side. I've been calling it a style side, but it's a flare side. I stand corrected. I'll do a little bit more on this as work progresses. My work begins today on the actual pickup body, the cab and front end. Alright, that's it for now. More to come. Okay, here's an update on the Ford cab body progress. The front end's been dismantled. Believe it or not, you got to take all that out to get the headlights up. Isn't that nice? The hood's off. All the trim around the windshield is off. That needs to be repaired. Cowl is out. The hood's over here, as you can see, needs to be stripped. Same with the cowl. The windshield moldings were all dented up. I tapped all the dents out of them. I'm now going to fill all these dents in, prime all these moldings, and paint them satin flat, a satin finish black. Satin black, I guess, is what I'm trying to get out. And then over here I got the running boards off. And this one here is broken. I have to fix it. Fiberglass. This one, the mounts broke. I got to weld it back together. And here's the rest of the cab with all the little defects noted. And I got the back window pulled out. And there's a dent over here I got to fix, some rust there, and there's an actual hole, which I'll walk around there and show it to you. This piece of metal here holds the spare tire in, and that used to attach to the rear tank, which has been deleted, so I got to make a bracket for that. And then over here I got to fix this this hole, which nobody knew was here until we pulled the windshield out. So anyway, didn't get much done today. It's been raining all day. Got to weld the patch panel in down here. Got the new bumper and grille and headlight doors and headlights, all that stuff's in. So that's it so far. Next stop is we'll start doing the body shop. So that's it for this update. I'm going to roll these clips together, and that'll be that till the body work's done. Alright, that's it.